what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018, and in this video I'm going to show you how to refill the coolant. So let's get started. Here in the engine you're gonna find two reservoirs. So this one right here is the engine reservoir, and right here to the left you will find the turbocharger reservoir. So this one is below the min max. This is the max mark and this is the minimum mark. So we gotta refill this one, which keeps cool the turbocharger. So this one is good. This is the maximum mark, and down here it has the minimum mark. So this one is okay, but we gotta refill that one. Make sure the engine is cold. Do not open it if you already started the engine. I bought this antifreeze coolant. This is already pre-diluted. It's ready to use. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description so you can get the same one. Alright, this is it, up to here, the max mark. I revealed a little bit extra just because I couldn't see when the mark was when I was pouring it, but it is fine. Now let's put back the cap. You're all set, and this is how you refill the coolant reservoir or the turbocharger in this Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.